The affairs of a mu'min, of a believer, are amazing. Ajab, they are strange in a good way. Why? Because when goodness comes in the direction of a believer, the believer is thankful, so it's good. When I achieve, I don't become proud and arrogant. That is a powerful point. Remember, if you become the richest person on earth, you need to be the most humble. If you become the most successful person, if you are a very knowledgeable person, you're a very handsome or pretty or beautiful individual in terms of looks, if you have so much of fame, for example, if Allah has blessed you with whatever else, remember, that is your test. It is such a big test. You need to remain humble, and you need to constantly remind yourself you belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You need to prepare for the day when you will enter the grave. Nothing will come to your assistance besides by the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.